What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, my name is Ryan and welcome to the channel. And for those of you who have been returning and watching, welcome back again. So today we are gonna head off to Toyota. I'm gonna go pick up the rest of the parts for this engine build. Hopefully they have everything, because the last time I spoke to them, it might take another week just to get the oil pump from Japan. So let's head over there and see if they got everything today. Woo! We finally got back in. Alright guys, so we finally got back in the car. All I got was the crank position sensor, which came from Japan, and that took a little while to get here. All I'm still waiting for is the oil pump and the rear main seal, and that's fine that it's gonna come in till like Thursday, I think, the end of the week they said, because I'm not getting back my engine block or the head until the end of this week as well. So everything will fall into place. What I can do is start preparing my other parts, like cleaning them up, and for reuse, like the front cover and whatnot. I can clean up the gaskets. I can clean off the RTV that's on it, remove the front seal and install the new front seal, and just have those things prepared for when I am going to start building the engine. Or I might just remove the front seal and not put in the new one until I get the everything to assemble. But that's the plan for today, so let's get started. What's going on, guys? So we are back from getting that Toyota part. So all they had for me was that crank sensor like you saw, and we gotta wait till Thursday for the other ones. But in this quick episode here, I guess we can talk about the tool haul that I got, because I did stop at Harbor Freight and we picked up a few stuff. So right over here we picked up some ratchets that I kind of needed and I thought they were pretty cool, so I want to share them with you. So here we got is this really cool extendable ratchet that extends and gives you the leverage that you need. It has different variety points to give you different length, which is pretty cool. So you have all the torque that you need. Plus it's a 3/8 drive in the front and then a 1/4 inch in the back, which I think is awesome, and it does come in handy. Plus it has the little on-off switch here, which is labeled. Now when you put it on the off switch here, it's right on this side, but when you use this side, it's on the opposite. You gotta flip it to on to get this off. So it's just something that you gotta keep in consideration about. I really love the Pittsburgh ratchets because, well, they're so similar to Harbor Freight. Probably not the same quality, but they're super similar. Comes with a lifetime warranty and does the job that you need it to do. Then on top of that, I picked up this 1/2 inch ratchet as well from Harbor Freight. Love this, super heavy duty, feels great in the hand, and awesome comfort grip. Again, lifetime warranty, just like all of Harbor Freight's tools. Professional series as well, so this to me is definitely worth it. Then I found something that was really cool, which was a ratcheting breaker bar, which I don't even know if this can be considered a breaker bar because it has a ratcheting feature on the end. And the purpose of a breaker bar is to help break a nut and then use your ratchet to loosen it, because you don't want to damage the mechanism inside. But maybe this one is made a little differently, I don't know. But it does come with an on and off turning switch, so you can go different directions, which is pretty cool. And I think it's awesome. It works really good. I've used it already. And then also I picked up a 3/8 long ratchet as well. I don't know why I would do that when I bought the extendable one, but I just thought these are so cool and I really like them. Now I have seen the Icon series and I really want to get some of those, but I think they're a little bit expensive. Now, to tell you the truth, the Icon series are a little pricey, but they're not as pricey as SnapOn or any of those competitor brands out there. But I think that they do live up to the job. Now, they look like there might be a little better quality, but to me, they're a little bit pricey and stuff that I don't want to spend much on tools. With that being said, the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh brand does the job just right for me. Is something that I've used throughout all my profession as an auto tech or diesel tech. It never failed me, honestly. And I've had snap-on sockets that has cracked and broken. Actually, I have one in here. Here we go. Here is a snap-on socket, and I don't know if you can see that just right. There you go. See, there's a crack right there, right there. There's a crack. This is a snap-on socket. It's supposed to be the best quality out there. And it's cracked on me, using it for normal applications. Now, if SnapOn could do that, Harbor Freight does that. They all do that. After a while, things wear and tear. You can't expect things to last forever, which is understandable. But for me to spend so much money on something that will break eventually, you know, even though it's lifetime warranty, I just don't feel the hassle of it. The Harbor Freight one does the same thing I needed to, and it lasts me just about the same amount of time. So honestly, I will choose Harbor Freight over the SnapOn. Now, there are some times where you need the SnapOn ratchets or the sockets, and I will do a separate video on that about Craftsman sockets versus SnapOn sockets versus Pittsburgh sockets, because there is a big difference when it does come to the SnapOn stuff, and sometimes you do need them in certain applications, and I will show you in the next video. But all in all, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tool haul video that I put out there for y'all. It's nothing big. Making videos every day is kind of difficult, especially when you don't know what you want to talk about. Plus, I'm waiting on the engine block to come back. That's not coming back till the end of the week. And we gotta wait for that to come in with every other part as well. So in the meantime, I'm trying to just make other videos out there to keep up to date with you guys, to start talking to y'all, and I'm really trying to be here every single day without skipping a beat. So with that being said, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little tool haul video that I came to show y'all, and hopefully you guys like the Toyota 4Runner review as well. So with that all being said and wrapped up, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.